Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 3.5 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So third question is, solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution and cross multiplication methods. So again, same pair is to be solved by two different methods. So let's start with substitution. So in these two equations I can see that in second equation, coefficient of x and y is smaller as compared to first equation. So let's take these values. So let these equation as number 1 and number 2. So what we will do is, we will find the value of one variable from second equation and substitute in the first one. So from 2, let us suppose 2y is equal to what? 4 minus 3x. Okay, then what is y? This is 4 minus 3x over 2. So we get the value of y in terms of x. So now we will substitute this in our first equation. So let this be 3. So substitute 3 in 1. So what is 1 then? 8x. Plus 5 times 4 minus 3x over 2 equals to 9. So again denominator is 2. So first take the LCM and make each term having denominator 2. So LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So multiply these terms with 2 here and here also. This term no changes because already denominator 2. So 8 into 2 is 16x by 2. This is 5 times 4 minus 3x over 2. And this is 9 into 2 as 18 over 2. So after this step, just ignore denominator because each term is same. So now 16x, 5 into 4 is 20, 5 into 3 is 15x equals to 18. So now let's combine like terms, that is 16x minus 15x is x and this is 18 minus 20. So value of x is minus 2. So now we will put this value in equation number 3 to find the value of y. So we will write, put what we get, x equals to minus 2 in 3. So you are free to use this value in any equation, but I prefer this equation number 3. So y is 4 minus 3 of minus 2 over 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 over 2. So value of y is 10 by 2 and solution is y equals to 5. So what is the solution of this pair? X as minus 2 and y as 5. Now let's solve this same pair using cross multiplication. So what should be my first step? Whenever we solve this cross multiplication, make sure that right hand side should be 0. So let's make it first 0. So 8x plus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. So 3x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay. So now to solve this, first we need to find the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Make sure you should not find their ratios, only their values. So here it is 8 and 3. b1 and b2 is 5 and 2. c1 and c2 is minus 9 and 4. Okay. So now let's start. We should write x over y over and then 1 over. So first thing is here b1, b2. So that is 5, 2. Then is c1, c2. So below equal to, you should write minus 9, minus 4. Then a1, a2. So below equals to 8 and 3. Then again b1, b2 as 5, 2. So now we will cross multiply. See, students will always make crosses first and then write the terms. So in this case, sometimes they do mistakes. So I always suggest my students that make one arrow at one time and write that term first. So we will always write first arrow on this side, write this term, that is 5 minus 4 minus, then put the second arrow Okay, and solve accordingly. Okay, sometimes it's confusing whether to write this first term or this first term. So always start from left side to right hand side. Okay, so this is equal to y over, again I'll make this arrow, write that term, that is minus 9 into 3, then minus, then this arrow, that is minus 4 into 8. So next term is again 8 into 2, I will write here. Then this thing, that is minus 3 into 5. Okay, so now let's find the values. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. This is plus 18. Y over minus 27. And this is plus 32. And here it is 1 over 16 minus 15. Okay. So now let's take our first and last term to find the value of x. X over minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2. Y over minus 27 plus 32 is 5. And 1 over 1. So take first and third term. This, that is x over minus 2. This implies equals to 1 by 1. Cross multiply and you will get x as minus 2. Okay. Again take second and third term, that is y over 5 is equal to 1 by 1. Cross multiply and you will get y as 5. So you can see answers are same irrespective of the method used. So this is our third question. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.